to my channel. Today I will still in secret sew, and now I want to show you how to make accessories. Do you want it? Let's get started. We need the materials are old t-shirt. We need two kind of fabric, old t-shirt and upholstery, scissors, thread and needle, straight pin, elastic, clip, paper, pen and ruler. The first step, we make a pattern and you take 6 centimeters. This is, and you make a center. You take 14 centimeter. And from the center, you take 14 centimeter and you connect from this point to this point. Also from this point to this point. I have give different color. This is a pink and dark color. After that, you take 11 from this point to here. And take 12 from this point to this point. And you connect from here to here. You make curve. And from this center to this point, you connect with curve. And then you cut this curve until here. Okay. After you have a pattern, you copy this pattern on this t-shirt, old t-shirt, and on upholstery. You copy twice each fabric. This. Okay. And put together. This is the right side and this is wrong side. You put together and skewer with a straight pin. And you start sewing from here, keep sewing to here. Also this one. Okay. and you open this. Okay. This is the right side. Put together. Face the right side. Like this, and start sewing. From here you give space without sewing about 5 centimeter. Sewing from here, you keep around to here, so you can open this fabric from this. Okay, after you sewn, you flip the fabric inside out like this, and you sew again from here. Keep around to here. Okay, and then you prepare the elastic. We need the length of 18 centimeter. We need you fold it's about 1 centimeter, and start sewing from here to here. Do the same process the other side like this. Okay, and insert the elastic to here. This one, and the max has been done. Thank you. Bye bye.